plan the trades for this week, the first week of March. I am looking for the trading opportunity for the euro and the yen, as well as the pound and the yen. We will get into that later. First, start with the euro and the yen. So what do we have here? I can see that there's a high over here in the past, and the current movement has reacted to the high in the past. So you can see that it's been rejected, and then it reversed a little bit, but it hasn't been confirmed a bearish trend movement. But I believe there will be selling or shorting opportunities because when I zoom to the lower time frame on the H4, I can see there's an uptrend over here in the recent point. So the lows are getting higher. And if I go lower time frame, what do we have here? I can see that the trend has been broken. Okay, so it breaks its previous lows over here, and the price had retested the zone, the resistance zone after the break. So you can see the price has retraced to the lows where it breaks, and also it has been rejected. So I am looking for a selling opportunity around the area. If someone follow this pair from last week, I believe that they had made some early move position over around here. The stop loss is quite moderate, but I believe that if the analyst is correct, I believe that the next week there will be more selling entries for the traders. Let's go to the next pair, the pound and the yen. So same thing with the euro and the yen, but instead of having a clear uptrend, I can see that the bullish movement is getting weaker. As you can see from here, the bullish, but the price hasn't broke above this zone over here. So you can see that I can see that the price is getting weaker on the bullish side, which lead to the result of the new movement, the new just only reversal but not completely by this bearish movement. So it breaks the zone over here. So you can see same thing with the euro. The price also retraced to the zone, to the low where it breaks and has been rejected. So we can see that there are many, we can consider that there are the sellers are more interested in the current position rather than the buyers. So on my side, I have entered the position from last week on the euro and also the pound yen, and the euro. So let's let the market do the work. Put our stop loss tight and pray for the best. Thank you.